Kasi alam ko yung... Kasi alam... Hi guys! So, I'm back with another review. I know I've been... Mia. I've been like missing in action for quite some time. Actually, it's been more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks that I have uploaded anything. Like, wala talaga. We've been busy with a lot of stuff in school. Today, meron tayong new item. This is a new release actually. Ito na naman tayo. Meron na naman akong unang nakuhang mga new release. Tapos hindi ko na naman agad ma-upload. Typical me. Today, what we have is this new Sunnies lip product. It is the Lip Treat a Sheer Healthy Lip Glow. And I got the shade Sakura. I actually bought this kasi mahal na naman yung aso ko. Bought this kasi gusto ko na may pangsalit ako sa lasting lip balm, lip tint ko. So, it's the One Day Tattoo Lasting Lip Tint Stick ng K Palette. So, ito yung on the go ko usually na ginagamit kahit sa ilalim ng mask. And this is in the shade 02. So, yeah. Usually, I do 3 swipes ng lip tint na to. Lip balm, lip tint na to. So, even when I'm wearing mask, kahit mawala na yung mismong glossiness, it leaves the tint. And I like the glossy look, especially if I want more of a natural sheen look. Parang ganon. Ayoko na masyadong solid colors sa face ko. Ganon. Anyway, daming chika. So, I have lip balm lang on my lips right now. This is what it looks like. The new Sunnies Lip Treat looks like. Last time I check, parang magkakadugtong yung collection nila from the Skin Perfector and then only lipstick and then Skin Perfector and then this is the lip treat. So parang it's the family of packaging. Ganun. So this is what it looks like. It contains this much product. This is 2.8 grams. There's a huge difference with the bullet ng K Palette and the Sunnies. Mas malaki yung bullet ni Sunnies. So, mas malaki yung nasasakop niya sa lips kapag in-apply mo siya. Mas bright yung color ng K Palette ko. I think ang equivalent ng shade na to ng K Palette ko is the shade Juice or Poppy. Tanggalin muna natin yung lip balm. Mali pala ako ng order ko. Dapat pala in-swatch ko muna siya. Naka more than 3 swipe na ako and ito lang yung lumalabas. So, let's try it on my lips. I have nothing on my lips after the lip balm. Okay, first swipe. Parang walang difference. Okay, one more. Third layer. May sheen color na siya. Hindi na ako yung sobrang putla ko compared kanina. It's actually nice. It's not sticky on the lips. I like how glossy it is. I want more hint of color. So, color is buildable pero hindi full-on buildable. Like, full-on solid color buildable. We'll see as time goes by kung more pink. Shade ng Sakura is, if I'm not ingay na aso ko. Sakura is more of the like warm peach pink ata. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero I feel like I'm wrong. So, lagay na lang natin yung correction somewhere here. Matches like how my makeup is right now. Subtle blush and orange. Orange eyeshadow that's going on my eyes. It's not like super tacky feeling sa lips. So, and like that's another plus for me. I'm looking at the monitor, don't get me wrong, okay? I'm just like trying to see if the color changes. Though I know this is not a magic lipstick, lip tint, I know that for a fact. But you know, a girl can still be hopeful for magic. It feels really like a lip balm. You don't have to like really tug it. By tug, I mean matte lipstick kind of standard na tugging of lips, gano. Simple sheen look of the lips. Like, it's an everyday thing But for me, I think I got the wrong color, but I can still use it. It doesn't have a distinct fragrance. Wala akong maamoy na mabulaklak or sweet scent. Like nothing. It doesn't smell like crayon. Like, dude, nothing. I can't. I swear, I can't. Going back. Try na natin, ganito ganyan. So, mayroon tayong 5 criteria na sasabihin with this review. First is the tint. Second is the price point. Third is the texture. Fourth is the scent. And 5 is the packaging. 5? Hindi ba fish? With the tint. Yes naman, kung nakita nyo kanina, sobrang putla ng lips ko kanina, as in. Nalagyan niya talaga ng tint yung lips ko. Hindi siya yung sobrang tint na ina-expect ko. It's still nice. The tint is still so nice for me. It really looks natural. Na parang nag-lip balm lang talaga ako. Yung tipong bagong lip scrub yung lips mo na hindi siya sobrang plump red, pero there's a color to it. I like it. Price point niya. So, price point niya for $395. Still nice for me kasi it's a hybrid of a lip balm and lip tint. Kasi it still tints your lips, you know what I'm saying. It costs $395 plus shipping kasi Lazada 76 pesos. So, I paid for it almost 500 pesos. The price point. So, texture, so smooth. Like, vanilla, it has a shea butter, seed oil, vitamin E, and collagen. So, as you guys can see, texture-wise, sobrang glossy niya. Smooth niya. It's not super sticky or tacky feeling. It's not at all. Sobrang glossy lang niya. Para kang nag-lip balm talaga. So, lip treat talaga siya. It's a nourishing balm nga, sabi nila, that makes you feel good about looking good. Wow! Treat yourself to a nourishing balm that makes you feel good about looking good. Yes! I can totally get that. Kasi I feel good. Isa sa kanina na wala akong kakulay-kulay. Scent niya, wala akong nakuhang distinct smell dito. Hindi siya crayony smell, hindi siya sweet scent, nothing. Wala ako talagang naamoy. So with packaging, I like na talagang snap siya. Ganon. And kung meron kayong Sunnies lipstick nila, yung isang packaging na hindi frosted, ganon yung itsura niya. So that's that. So ang highlight niya sa mismong Sunnies, sabi nila, it is a sheer wash of color, a cushiony smooth formula, applies like buttery lip balm, moisturizes and hydrates, formulated with shea butter to soothe lips, comes in 6 juicy sheer shades, and it is paraben-free and cruelty-free. May pamali pang harabas na ako, te. Wow. That's that. Thank you for watching. This is going to be a really short review, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notification bell for more upcoming videos. A-upload ko na po siya. Soon, promise. Okay, that's all for my Sunnies Literature review, and thank you again for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!